Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to repeat an experiment I tried in December when I first started my YouTube channel. And it didn't get very many views, but I think it's worth repeating because the results were pretty fun. The experiment was combining Artist Loft ready-mix pouring paints with a homemade medium with leftover paints. And in this case, I'm using Artist Loft acrylics mixed with Floetrol. So the experiment was to combine Floetrol mixed paints with ready mixed and see if they would interact. And they did. The pour I did, I've since poured over it because it was just a small canvas, came out really pretty. So I'm going to try it again on a larger canvas and hopefully get some more interest in combining, because it's great. A great way to use up leftover paints late at night. You don't want to mix up a bunch more. Grab your ready-made and go for it. So here we go. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, so I do need a bit more paint than normal. So I'm using a large cup. I think I'll kind of alternate the ready mix with the Floetrol mix. Haven't used these in quite some time. So pretty together. Oops, that one's not been opened yet. These paints are kind of expensive, I'll admit, but they you can always get them on sale, or buy one at a time with that 40% off coupon. They dry with a beautiful sheen, so you really don't need to varnish. I've embellished some I've used these ready mix with, and the paint goes on top nicely. So I'm kind of a fan of them. I prefer, homemade medium, mixing my own paints, but making custom colors and such. But it's a great way to get started, or just experiment with some color combos. And your consistency is right, so that's a good thing. I actually wish I had more of the Floetrol mix in here. Let me go ahead and put the whole, just didn't have much left over. Paints. Ooh, it's a little lumpy. It has been sitting a while. Let's see, let's go to this one. I'm just going to do a ring pour. A little more, and then that should be sufficient. Pretty, huh? Okay. Ring pour, maybe just a straight pour. Couldn't be easier doing a straight pour. I'm gonna just vary the height from which I pour. You get a little different effects that way. higher up, the more blending I think you get. The closer, the more defined your rings will be. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Gosh, you can't go wrong with blues, right? Pop some bubbles. I wish I had more of the Floetrol mixed paints in here to really get an idea how they work together, but I think I had a sufficient amount, probably 5 or 6 ounces, so that should be enough to make the experiment valid. All right, let's move this around and see what happens. Oh, that is so pretty in there. It's doing some lovely lacing effect there. I wish I had more black mixed up. I would do negative space, but I don't. Oh, well, my gosh, I got the this. I'm going to add some of that here. Just one section and see how I like that. Well, that didn't work that well. It just covered it up. I know that happens. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I'll just cover the whole thing. This is so pretty. That is just Artist Loft Gold and Floetrol mixed 2 to 1, I think it was. Oh my goodness. I think it's really pretty. I don't want to lose that gold. So I'm going to run it down here and then back towards the center. Wow. Oh, wow. I think that is quite beautiful. I don't know that I want to do anything else to it. I'll hit it with the torch and see if anything happens. My torch is nearly dead. A few little specks from the Floetrol are causing some little tiny cell effects, but oh my goodness, that has such depth to it, I think. I love it. I don't say that very often about my stuff. I'm very critical of my work, but yeah, I'm liking this a lot. All right, let me take my gloves off and take you down close. Sorry, one more moment here. I'm carefully taking my gloves off because I do use them over and over again. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Like this section up there. Got the shadow from my from what? I don't know. My big lamp, I guess, is this is very black in here, and it doesn't look black. Maybe if I draw back a bit, I still can't get rid of that. I'm sorry. The glare, but you get the idea. Let me come all the way back and let's see if I can move that thing. That's the best I can do with one hand. Well, there you go. I'm pretty pleased with this. And I'm excited to try some more with more color combos. Okay, folks. That's it. Give it a try. Show me your results. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.